my appearance. I just got off work, but as promised, here's a 911 2005 Corolla S in the cab and then manual. So give a quick facts. This is a 3.8 liter, no turbo, naturally aspirated, and this is the last gen, which is water cooled. I haven't driven a naturally aspirated car in a while, and let me tell you this, it is a fun car to drive. You don't get the low initial torque, you have to kind of work it to get all your power, but once you get up to 4,000 RPM, all the power comes. It's just really fun to drive. So this is 2005, and then honestly it's like what, over 10 years. You can see in the interior there's not much tech, right? There's no blind spots, there's no backup camera, no front and back sensors. I don't even think they have nav, no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, of course. But it's just a really nice interior. Of course, it's don't have that much tech, right? It's a bit dated, but it's got its Porsche DNA. It's classic, right? It's got more buttons, of course. But wow, even after 15 plus years, this, like, you can see the Porsche quality is actually there. Like, I finally know why Porsche cars hold its value so much now. It's just, what? It's not a weapon, it's just pure rawness. You feel every bump, every hump, there's no tech. You just feel like everything, but at the end, it's so light, you feel like you're driving a go-kart. There's no smart diff, there's no adaptive suspension, there's no power steering. You just feel like everywhere you go, you're trying to work it, and that's like super duper fun. Between me and you guys, absolutely love it. It's just so raw, it doesn't make sense. Honestly, we've been pampered by too much tech. Blind spots, adaptive cruise, head-up display. This one just absolutely nothing. It's just you and the car. It's insane because this 3.8 liter naturally aspirated. Once you're above the 4,000 RPM, it just keeps on going, and the exhaust sounds amazing. It just keeps on going, and then you feel so mechanical. You feel like you're working. And what I must say is, I don't know if it's because the car's older or whatnot, the clutch, when you push it down, it's not like how my Targa is. It's really not light, but it's like medium. This one, you have to really depress it to the very end to switch to a different gear, and the brakes, oh my god, you have to press it so hard to actually get some brake. It is amazing. It's so much fun. And then because there's no rough match, you have to kind of heel toe by yourself. Wow. And I don't know, because if the car's older or whatnot, you smell everything. You smell the clutch change, you smell some gas. When you change gears, you hear the mechanics change. It's such a different experience. I do finally know now why older Porsche holds its value so much. It's a different breed. You really have to work it, and it's just, wow, it's just so hard to explain, because like, I've never driven something like this before. After I drive it, it's a workout, and I sweat because every turn or whatnot, I really have to turn it. I think it's very engaging. I can't just lay back and just let it take over. No, there's no power steering, there's like nothing. It's just so mechanical, it's very raw. Wow, it's just a really different experience. And honestly, if I didn't have my 911, I would totally, this I would say would be in my mind, because it's a lower price point, right? It's a 15-17 years old. You get it at a very good price point, but again, it's the whole experience. You're actually working. Like for my 911, I still work because it's a manual, but I can still cruise. It's a nice GT car. This one, I feel every bump, the exhaust sound amazing. Wow, it's a totally different experience, and this is really crazy. Thanks again for training with this journey with me. Hopefully we all learned something today. If you guys like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, notification bell on. You guys know what to do. It's your boy Albert. Peace out.